the best 360 cameras are redefining the boundaries of visual storytelling. No longer confined to mere angles and perspectives, these trailblazing devices encompass entire worlds within their lenses. Venturing beyond traditional photography, they invite viewers into immersive virtual realms, offering a panoramic experience like no other. As we journey through this video, we'll unveil the top 5 360 cameras that stand as pillars of unparalleled visual artistry. These aren't just tools, they're windows to expansive realities, capturing the essence of spaces in all their grandeur. Whether you're a digital maestro or an enthusiast eager to dabble in expansive cinematography, these cameras promise to elevate your creative horizons. To dive deep into their features and to snag the best deals, make sure to explore the links in the description box below. With that said, let's embark on this visual odyssey and uncover the magic of 360-degree cinematography. Starting off our list is the Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition. This camera is seriously cool because it's got a big 1-inch image sensor, which is pretty unusual for 360 cams. This means you're in for better shots in low light, more dynamic range, and that awesome cinematic blur called bokeh. Trust me, you'll see a huge difference in picture quality compared to your phone or other everyday 360 cams. When it comes to specs, it's a beast. It can shoot videos in 5.7K at 30 FPS, 4K at a super smooth 60 FPS, and 1080p at a crazy 200 frames per second. And here's the magic trick. It's got flow state tech to make your videos look as steady as if you had a fancy gimbal. Even if things are getting a little wild, your footage stays silky smooth. But here's the kicker. This camera is like Lego for grown-ups. You can swap out lenses and upgrade parts. Right now, the 1-inch 360 mod is sold separately, but you can slap it onto other ONE RS bodies. And guess what? They're cooking up more mods, so expect upgrades like a big sensor 4K wide angle or a zoom lens in the future updates. That said, the Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition also comes with a feature that lets you tell it what to do with your voice, and get all fancy with editing through the Insta360 app. So if you're after professional level 360 video and photos in a package that's all about options, the ONE RS with the 1-inch mod is where the magic happens. Your visual stories are about to get a turbo boost. Up next at our number 4 spot is the GoPro Max, one of the most user-friendly and versatile 360 cameras available. It combines 360 video with standard GoPro-style footage in one compact, waterproof body. The GoPro Max has a dual-lens design with 2 fisheye cameras that can capture 360 video up to 6K resolution. The stitching between the 2 lenses is seamless, which gives you one smooth, unified 360 view to work with. Simple one-button controls make it easy to shoot while on the move, and GoPro's signature stabilization keeps the footage steady when things get shaky. Hypersmooth stabilization helps smooth out the bumpiest activities like mountain biking, skiing, or skateboarding. My favorite feature is the flexibility to switch between 360 capture and standard action cam mode. You can use Max as a traditional single-lens GoPro for things like taking selfie shots. The mobile app makes it easy to reframe the 360 shots into standard frame video during editing. This camera is built rugged for the elements too, with waterproofing up to 16 feet without requiring a case. You can even use voice commands to control the Max hands-free. Convenient! Battery life clocks in at around 1 hour of max use, which is average. One negative is that stitching errors can occasionally occur in low-light scenes because of the smaller sensors. But overall, the GoPro Max nails combining simplicity, durability, and multi-purpose shooting modes into one tiny package. The Theta X from Ricoh earns the number 3 spot for its top-notch stitching, audio, and easy-to-use design. This consumer 360 camera can shoot up to 5.7K resolution for crisp, immersive video and photos. It uses a dual fisheye lens system with 1/2.0-inch sensors on each side. The stitching between the lenses is handled smoothly and invisibly by Ricoh's accurate image processing algorithm. This lets you capture stunning 5.7K 360 environments without any distracting stitch lines. I'm also impressed by the 4 built-in microphones. They provide great spatial audio pickup that really enhances the feeling of captured scenes. Lifelike audio is an important part of the 360 experience that many cameras neglect. In terms of handling, the Theta X has a simple one-button operation and compact, palm-sized shape. It feels lightweight at just 170 grams, but remains sturdy and easy to handle. You can control shooting, streaming, and more functions through the Theta mobile app, too. Additional features like exposure bracketing, interval shooting, and multi-bracket HDR show Ricoh's attention to image quality. The Theta X also supports a variety of shooting modes, including auto, shutter priority, ISO priority, and manual. This gives you more control over your shots and allows you to adapt to different lighting conditions. For premium consumer-level 360 video and stills in a package that's all about options, the Theta X is hard to beat. Coming in at second place is the flexible Insta360 One RS Twin Edition. This dual-lens 360 camera gives you the freedom to shoot both immersive 360 footage and standard action cam footage. It comes with two quick swappable lens mods, the 5.7K 360 mod and a 4K wide-angle mod, so you can alternate between capturing 360 environments or a more traditional field of view. Both shooting modes record stabilized video at up to 60 FPS for super smooth results. The proprietary flow state stabilization makes even extreme activities like downhill mountain biking look like they were filmed on a gimbal. I'm impressed by Insta360's innovative shooting modes too. Cool features like time-lapse hyperlapse, motion trails, bullet time, and deep tracking focus take your footage to the next level. And the Insta360 app provides awesome post-production effects and editing tools. In addition to these features, the One RS Twin Edition also offers HDR rendering, which allows for more dynamic range in your photos, making them look more lifelike. It also has a time shift feature, which lets you adjust the speed of different parts of your video for a dramatic effect. The camera also supports external microphone input, giving you the option to capture high-quality audio along with your video. Plus, it has a removable battery, allowing you to swap out batteries on the go and extend your shooting time. The One RS Twin Edition bundles pro-level performance into a pocketable action cam design. The camera itself is waterproof and durable enough for any adventure. If you want unlimited shooting flexibility alongside stabilization and quality, this Twin Edition 360 cam can't be beat. And the number one spot goes to the powerhouse, Insta360 One X. This professional 360 camera pulls out all the stops when it comes to performance and creative capabilities. It captures stunning 5.7K 360 video and 18-megapixel stills through dual f2.0 lenses. The large half-inch sensors combined with Insta360's optimized image processing result in unparalleled clarity and immersive realism. Everything looks incredibly lifelike and detailed at up to 5.7K. You also get mind-blowing stabilization thanks to a 6-axis gyroscope and flow state tech. Even extreme vibrations and movements are smoothed out to look like they were filmed on a Hollywood Steadicam. Some of my favorite features are the AI editing assistants. Auto framing, horizon leveling, smart tracking, and other intelligent modes make editing 360 and standard footage much easier and more creative. And like the Insta360 One RS Twin Edition, the Insta360 One X also offers HDR rendering, which allows for more dynamic range in your photos, making them look more lifelike. It also has a time shift feature, which lets you adjust the speed of different parts of your video for dramatic effect. The camera supports external microphone input, giving you the option to capture high-quality audio along with your video. Plus, it has a removable battery, allowing you to swap out batteries on the go and extend your shooting time. In addition to these features, the One X also has a built-in GPS module that can record your path, speed, altitude, and other data. The data can be displayed in your final video for a unique perspective on your adventures. It also supports Wi-Fi for easy sharing and live streaming of your videos. Of course, the Pro-tier performance comes at a premium price, but for next-level professional 360 video and stills, the Insta360 One X is unmatched. There you have it, the top 5 best 360 cameras available for purchase right now. From affordable consumer models to high-end professional cams, there are fantastic options for every budget and use case. If you want to take your 360 content to the next level, we highly recommend the Insta360 One X. But any of the cameras in this countdown will let you capture unique perspectives and step into your shots with immersive 360 views. For the inside scoop and the latest prices, just check out the links in the description box below. While you're at it, let me know which 360 camera looks most interesting to you in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.